Hi there, thanks for stopping by. I'm always on the lookout for refreshing desserts for summertime, and I came across this one recently and we've tried it and it's delicious. It is Creamsicle Pie, and if you're familiar with creamsicles, those yummy ice cream bars that are orange with vanilla ice cream inside, you're going to want this recipe. So it's very simple and very refreshing. So let's get started. Okay, 4 simple ingredients. Vanilla wafers, we need about 4 cups of crushed, 1/2 cup of butter that has been melted, and we'll need 2 cups of each vanilla ice cream and orange sherbet that have been softened so that they're scoopable. So let's get started. Okay, I'll start by measuring out our 4 cups of vanilla wafers. I'm going to put mine in a food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, you can just put them in a plastic bag and crush them. 4-ish. So I'll go ahead and pulse them until they're fine. Okay, we've got a nice crumb here. So now we'll go ahead and add the butter. And then we'll mix it again until that's all combined. Okay, now we'll put our crumbs into a pie plate. And then we'll just press it down and up the sides. You want to press pretty firmly so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, now it's going to go in the freezer for about 20 minutes and then we'll start putting the ice cream on. Next, we'll add our vanilla ice cream, about 2 cups. Ooh, this is pretty melty. Make this even. Then back in the freezer for about an hour or two until this is firm enough to put the orange on. Okay, the next step is to put on our orange sherbet. So is the proper pronunciation sherbet or sherbet? There's no R, so I've always said sherbet, but I hear people say sherbet. How do you say it? And again, we're putting about 2 cups or so, and then it will go back in the freezer for approximately 4 hours until it's set up well, and then it's ready to slice. Okay, back in the freezer. Our delicious creamsicle pie is done, and doesn't that look delicious? I put a little dollop of whipped cream on top because everything's better with whipped cream, right? So please like and subscribe to the channel. Come back again for more videos and be sure to check out the recipe and instructions down below. See you soon.
10 out of 10 would eat again.
That's where it's at.
Some spills, I'm guessing that's about 4.